Why digital signs are important. 1. To increase a company's visibility. One of the biggest problems retailers have when it comes to self-promotion is cutting through all of the marketing noise generated by every other business, be it on radio or TV, in newspapers and magazines, or from competing storefront signs. 2. To help solidify relationships with customers and vendors. Consider in a corporate setting, a digital sign in the lobby can be used to welcome scheduled vendors, guests and other visitors as they arrive, a simple move that builds goodwill. 3. To deliver critical information more efficiently. In times of emergency, an existing digital signage network can be a lifesaver, providing critically important messages alerting employees, customers and other guests of exit locations, storm shelters and other vital information. 4. To save time. Preparing a static, printed sign is labor-intensive, expensive and time-consuming. The same message can be created and displayed far more quickly with a digital sign. 5. To attract greater attention than is possible with static, printed signs. The other drawback of print is that it is static. Human brains are programmed for motion. Our eyes are automatically drawn to moving objects. Digital signs displaying full of motion video are dynamic, not static. 6. To increase the efficiency of employees. Digital signage has the ability to convey important information to a workforce that is vital to employees maintaining a safe, efficient environment. Finally, digital signage can be less expensive than what you are already using. What do you think? Check out www.israq.my, a digital signage company for complete solutions.